Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned on TikTok. So guys, if your account is banned and you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok but your account is banned, here I will show you how can you unban your account or how can you recover your account. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, as you can see this, if your account is banned on TikTok, you will get the option to appeal for your account if you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok but your account is banned. So guys, you can see this. Since you get the appeal option, you have to simply tap on this appeal button and then you have to simply appeal for your account, and you will ask them you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok but your account is banned. So guys, you have to simply tap on appeal button, and after this you have to simply write your appeal, and then you have to simply describe this issue in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok but your account is banned. So guys, simply do this, and after this hopefully your account will be recovered. And if you still get no response, then you have to simply go to TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the TikTok team on the sports center, and after this they will review your account and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.